reach them. Always make sure the message I reach them.
One of the things women don't like with society. If you do 1 million good, it gets swept underneath the carpet. But if you do 1 bad, the whole world have you on social media so that friend and disrespect you. If you know that these are farmer by the castle like great to put the black man. Yeah, I love them, love them. They're going to pick up one more. Only one more may I pick up. But to all me real the brother, I'm not in my darling name. We just have a 6 or 3 or 4 out in the something. And then me understand the same sentiments. When you give him forward, because him deserve it. One shot. I'm going to say, hey, it up. Y'all know you're out there. When you pull out my daughter down, I'm going to something. Just play with it. Don't get too excited. So we do it again. One shot. Pick it up. Y'all know you're out there. You must want to do it. Such things that look like you're going to go over your ear too much I don't want to get too much on that road, yeah, you know. I don't know why. I want my look at that for people, they have to know that they're lying. Look at the cow, I keep it lying. Look at the one be outside. I want my look at that for people. Nobody care where me your spirit is. I don't grasp the light. They go up on the gully, gully, take you man. Look like me, I go up there, never say that. I'm never free to get out of the way. I will let I want to tell you my things on the road, I'm over here. I still want to see the Bible for you. Rasta party everything's on a floor, every Rasta when you will tell it. You know we wish like walk on the grass with a big rubber. Oh yeah, everything's on the floor, every rubber when you will tell it. You know we wish like walk on the grass with a big rubber. Right across the road from Gordon Park, if you know what you're working with. Right behind Carlo, Riverton across the road. Waterhouse around us, Sea View around us. Marvel up this one. Jews land around us. May I really get to you. We used to have one pair of black teeth. I'm going to wear the one pair of black teeth until it become a white teeth. I'm going to go across the road over to the Park Pharmacy. A pharmacy named KS Pharmacy. I'm going to buy a pack of black tie. I'm going to go back over Corville and pull up the thing with half ice of cold water. And the next half ice of warm water. I throw my dying eyes and I'm going to go up half white black box tonight. I'm going to make it stay in there for about 5 hours. You know what? I'm going to make it stay for so long. Come on, when I take it out, the jet black. Put a little salt tonight. And the salt will in the color like a lamp. This is when I take out my pants. Put it on the line. But don't make it dry too much on the line, because if the sun catching too much, a problem. So you just make it kind of queer up. And you put it back inside now. When I hold it for sun now there, to make it kind of blow out properly. But we have one problem with that diode pants there. I couldn't wear it when rain fall. If I ever wear that when rain fall, it's going to become a tie and die. If you know what I'm talking about, most of the black in the year. I'm born in Portland, and my mother was one of the poorest women in the community. Like so when she cooked the food, when she could have barely afford, the dumpling and the yam and the banana and everything there. You know what she do? She threw out some of the pot water in her cup and put some pepper in it. And you have to drink that as tea. It's nobody named pot water again, it's named pot soap. When that pepper are the nicest thing. Anybody don't know about that, you can't try. May I really get to you? I know about separation. I know about hunger. And that's why I'm hold it out and do music to the best of my ability. That's why I can't go up on the stage and go tell them about the God. Because we don't want no man to pick up the God. We want a man to love him, brother. We want a man to show love and respect his mother and father. If you know me, I'm about to black for me now. We exercise every day and I'm still not fit. My kids are hungry and I ain't got no tell me what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do. So what would you do? We exercise every day and I'm still not fit. My kids are hungry and I ain't got.
Good friend on there come one time in a life. You can see that I'm better than I feel. We make things feel and be friends, so I.
Oh, no, no. Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie Jah! Ever living, ever truthful and faithful to the end. So these are patriotic Jamaicans. It no matter what I go on, me nah left yard. And we know some of love yard too. All of the people that will love Jamaica, make your hand up, go up in the ear now. Get the people telling each other. Sweet Jamaica is an island now. We don't stop loving. No the world massive love it and them respect it too. Watch this. Oh Lord of mercy. You help me be doctor. If I make enough money and it makes sense, I'll be running 2020 as an independent. I want to be the Prime Minister, my deputy, Mutamaru. The first thing we are going to do is legalize ganja. Pay off the IMF in the first quarter. You can imagine how Jamaica house would have looked for Mutamaru. Everybody come and work careful. It is a nice place to live. Promises are made. All of us who are poor people that get up your blood. Here, holy for sweat, the cause of operation and holy for death. How could you be sitting here and telling me that you care for these people good things? By the fight for your swear, it's time to make a speech. The right time come, you are one like the power. Them cut out the tongue with philosophy, make them want to kill me. Look on the right, yes, they want to run me. If them have the power, this what they
saying Miami, this is a nice place to live. Sweet Hong Kong. The only problem is, and it's a sweet place to live. Sweet Hong Kong. Hey, careful what you teach your little children. Make sure I know something to my head. I know to say to my sister, she put me in a fire, Lisa. I know what to say to me, I love her to the long road. She put me in a dancer. But if we mention that you is so fun, I mean, I want to live in my home. I want to see you never listen. Never see. Every day we get on the shine, never listen. But we listen. That's why I listen. Look at the people talk about that person, so you want to hear them talking in the shine in your heart. Bring down the beatings. I'm in the start going up on the show. Go on with that. If we want to hear them, but we check your needs and that. If we want to teach you the Jesus, make sure I have something to learn this. I want to say to the sister, she put me in a fire in the sun. Yeah, what you can say to me now, but that's the love. She put me in a fire. Let it on start. Let it on start. We love you like a fresh. Damn right. Sometimes you can get it to you. Listen, I love you like a fresh. Sometimes you can get it to you. Because your intellect is like Romeo and you say I'm not ready to we don't know we just do you like a son and get so much show. I tell you something like this. It's well like a fresh. Sometimes you can get it to you. Listen, I love you like a fresh. Sometimes I love you. I love you, Johnny. I love you, September. Don't be afraid to be in October. Don't in a November, don't in a April, right till December, December, so the time of winter. I will storm and you will never come your little brother, you hold me closer, don't you know? Listen, me love you like a fish. So tell me if you have a yeah. Hey, let it out. One of my nice things, sleepers, sleeping, I can do. Prove you there are my friends, that you you're just fool. Can't understand how it's like, so yeah, I swear there's nothing going on. True, them don't know that the sun, we don't always get to help me when I'm down. Cause when they see us holding hands, and I get together, probably thinking we're Stop your fighting early in the morning. Stop your fighting, don't miss out the way on. Stop your fighting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.